Familiarize yourself with the 2014 Ram 1500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.